Rogers' voicemail repeatedly asking for your password. It's a common issue due to authentication failures, app glitches, or forgotten credentials. First, understand that the PIN is a 4-6-digit code set during account activation, used for voicemail access via phone dialer *98 or *123, or the My Rogers app. Before advanced fixes, try these quick solutions. First, ensure you're entering the correct PIN. Forgotten it? We'll cover resetting it next. Second, check your network signal. A weak connection can disrupt authentication. Third, clear the My Rogers app cache, as corrupted data can cause issues. Finally, make sure your My Rogers app is updated to the latest version, 10.5.1 or newer, as recent updates contain fixes for this specific problem. If these steps don't work, it's time to reset your PIN or save your credentials. If basic troubleshooting fails, reset your voicemail PIN. Dial 611 from your Rogers phone or use the My Rogers app. Go to Account, then Voicemail, then Reset PIN. You'll receive a verification code via SMS or email to complete the reset. To prevent future prompts, save your credentials in the My Rogers app. Grant the app necessary permissions. Rogers enforces PIN resets every 90 days for some accounts, but saving credentials minimizes inconvenience. If problems persist, contact Rogers support for a SIM swap, as hardware issues can be the root cause.